The 2025 Jaguar lineup continues the brand's legacy of combining luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Known for their sleek design and powerful engines, the 2025 models bring refreshed styling, advanced driver assist features, and electric options that reflect Jaguar's transition toward a fully electric future. One of the standout offerings is the Jaguar I-Pace, an all-electric SUV that combines zero-emissions driving with thrilling acceleration and elegant design. It features updated battery technology for improved range and faster charging, along with a luxurious interior packed with the latest infotainment and connectivity systems. Jaguar's traditional sedans and sports cars, such as the XF and F-Type, also receive subtle enhancements in 2025. These include refined interiors, better ride comfort, and updated safety systems. The F-Type, Jaguar's iconic sports coupe, maintains its aggressive look and powerful V8 engine, offering an exhilarating driving experience. Meanwhile, the XF continues to serve as a sophisticated executive car, balancing performance with premium comfort and practicality. Underpinning these models is Jaguar's focus on modern luxury and sustainability. Materials used in the interiors are more environmentally conscious, and the brand emphasizes reducing emissions without compromising on elegance or driving pleasure. Across the board, the 2025 Jaguar vehicles come equipped with digital cockpits, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and seamless smartphone integration. As Jaguar prepares to go fully electric by 2030, the 2025 lineup is a bold step forward, blending heritage and innovation to meet the expectations of today's luxury car buyers.